Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change audio language on Crunchyroll. First I will show you how to change it on one episode and then I will show you how to change it defaultly. So on one episode, just play the episode and you should be able to see this gear icon right here. Click on it and then click on audio right here. Now, as you can see, this anime has only one audio track, so I am not able to change it. But most animes have all the other available audio tracks, so just pick the one that you want. Now, if you want to make the audio track basically default, go right here to your profile picture, then settings, and right here you will have audio language. So just click on this drop down and pick your default audio language that you are likely to watch. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.